slabs and a big driveway garage approach today that has settled up to 2 inches over here on this side. And so today we're going to be raising that, getting that transition into the garage looking a lot better. And there's also one slab down here that you can see we've got ports already installed in. And then the sidewalk over here by the vault, which is common, and down there where you can see the electrical service coming in, which is also common. They tunnel under the sidewalk and bring it in from the street, and they don't compact the trench, and so you get settling. But we're going to be taking care of this for him today, and then we're going to be caulking all these seams. We've got a lot of just moss, as you can see right there, and growth. And water gets in there and it causes erosion and then eventually settling. So we're going to get all these square and flush with the garage floor, get all of this caulked, and we'll give you an after here in a few hours. We finished up this job. The dark mortar that you see at the bottom of the brick there is where we remortared it. We pulled out the old stuff. So it'll dry and look really good. You can see that we did all the control joints. Really helps it just disappear, as you can see. And we brought this up to the original line, which was about 1/4 of an inch below, if that, the garage height. So just enough where if you get a little pooling, it doesn't want to ship in there. We also did, of course, the sidewalks that I mentioned, 2 sections, and this lower driveway section. So this looks much better. He now has a 5-year warranty against any resettling, and it should be good for years and years to come. I also want to show you how small these holes are. In some of the markets that we serve, there's competitors that use mud jacking, and they use an 1.5-inch hole in most cases. This is a 5/8 of an inch, and this of course will cure a lot lighter, but you can see compared to my foot how small that is. It's just a very tiny hole. I'll take you down here to one that's been drying in the sun a little bit so you can see kind of what happens. And you know, can you even see them from here? You know, there's one right there. There's another one right there. I mean, it's just very difficult to see once these things dry out. And because we use the right color of mortar, we use a darker mortar for exposed aggregate, and then for regular concrete we use a lighter mortar. So here's a couple of them. There's one right there. Very small, hard to see once they cure. So if you have a driveway like this, sidewalk, called a concrete razor.